So in next example, we have expression construct a DFA for the strings having a length equal to 2 or more than 2 over the alphabets A and B. So for the given expression, the language L1 will be the strings of length 2. Okay, so for the possible strings are, first we take the strings of length 2. Okay, so strings of length 2 are this. The given expression also shows the strings more than length 2. So possible strings are A, B, B, and up to so on. Okay, and we are not restricted to use 3 or 4 or 5. This may be up to infinite. Okay, infinite language. Okay, so with the help of this expression, we have said that the language is infinite. Okay, so if the language is finite, there will be a DFA. But if the language is infinite, there may or may not be a DFA. Okay, but we will try to construct a DFA for the given expression and check whether there is a possibility of DFA or not. So for the given expression and the given language, we try to construct a DFA. So let us start with the first state, that is A, and A is the initial state. Okay, so I have to show the transition of this A and B. So for A and for B. So for constructing a DFA, I will always start from the string of minimum length. Okay, so in this case, the string of minimum length is 2. Okay, so I will try to construct a string of length 2. So I have to do a transition of A and B over the state of A. So here A by taking small a will go to B, and A by taking small b will go to state B. So this state, okay, so I will mention it here. This state will have strings of length 1 because of this A and this B. Okay, so now I have to do the transition of B. So transition of B I will show to the state C. Okay, so up to this state we are getting our first string, that is AA. Okay, so for accepting this string of word AA, I will have to make the C as the final state. Okay, this one is initial and this one is final. So for accepting this state, this string of AA, I have to make this final. So this is okay. Now let us check that AB string is accepted over this DFA or not. So for A, let us check for this. For A, I will have to A by taking A will go to B, and B again take A will go to C, and C is final and the string is accepted. So for this string AB, the transition diagram will be A by taking A will go to B, and B by taking, so we have to mention it here, B. Okay, so B by taking B will go to C, and this one is initial and this one is final. So string is fully traversed and it reached at the final state, that is C. So string is accepted. So let us check for this is okay. Let us check for the string BA. So BA, A by taking B will go to B, and B, this state B by taking A will go to C. Okay, so this one is initial and this one is final, and string is fully traversed and it reached at the final, so string is accepted. Okay, so same is for this one, BB. Here what will happen? BB, here will be B, and same initial to final, and string is fully traversed. So we can say that we can say that the string is accepted. Okay, but there is an issue that I have to show the transition of A and B at this state of C. Okay, and there is also few more strings of length 3, of length 4, of length 5, and so on up to infinite point. I have to also accept that strings, because the expression says that it will accept all the strings of length more than 2, and more than 2 it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, or it may be 6. So all I have to accept. So for showing the transition of A and B over the state C, I have to repeat it here. Okay, so all the transitions of A is complete, B is complete, and C is complete. Okay, so this A and B will accept all the strings of more than length 2. Let us take an example of this string. The given string is A, and B. Let us check how it will be accepted over this DFA. So A by taking A will go to B, and B by taking A will go to C, and here C by taking B will remain in C. So this one is initial and that one is final. So string is fully traversed because A, B, and we have finally we reach at final state starting from initial, and the string is accepted. Okay, same is for this string. Let us check for the string A, B, A. So A by taking A by taking A will go to B, and here B by taking B by taking B will move to C, and C by taking A will remain on C, and this one is initial and C is final, and the string is fully traversed. So string is accepted over this DFA. Now let us take a case of a string of length more than 3, more than 4. Let us take a case of string A, B, B. Let us check that the string is accepted over this DFA or not. So how it will be accepted? State A by taking A will go to B. State A by taking A will go to B, and B by taking A will move to C. Okay, and C by taking A will remain on C, and C again by taking B, this B will remain in C. So next is B. So C by taking B will remain on C. C by taking A will remain on C. C by taking A will remain on C, and C by taking B will again remain on C, and C by taking B will again remain on C. So this one is final and this one is initial. So string is fully traversed, and the final state is final state. The last state that we have is C, and C is final. The string is fully traversed and the string is accepted. Okay, so the drawn DFA will accept all the strings of length 2 and more than 2 over the alphabet A and B. Okay, so next take one more example in which we have a DFA for all strings having length less than or equal to 2. So for the given expression, the language L1 will become set of all strings of length 2 or less than 2. It will not exceed the strings of length 2. Okay, so the possible DFA, so the possible language from the above expression will be, first we have is strings of length 0. String of length is epsilon. Next we have is A. String of length A. Next we have is B. Next possible is AA, BB, AB and BA. Okay. So the language, or the given language is finite language. Okay. So there will be a DFA because there is a DFA. There is a DFA because the language is finite. So we will construct a DFA for the given expression. Let us start with state A as initial state, and I have to show the transition of A here, A, and B. Okay, so first of all I have to accept the string epsilon. So for accepting the epsilon, I have to make the initial state as a final. So by making the initial state as final, we will have acceptance for epsilon. Okay, so next acceptance for A. So for accepting string of length 1, I have to make the state B as final. So by making the state B final, I have acceptance for A as well as for B. Okay, so next possible or next thing that we have is AA, and here I have to also add the transition of A and B. So by showing the transition of A and B to the state C, this and this, so this state C will accept all the strings of length 2, okay, of length 2, A and B, and for this I have to add the state C as a final state. Okay, so up to this point the state C will accept all the strings of length 2, and the given language will not accept all the strings of length more than 2. So I have to add the transition of A and B to the dead state, A and B, and this A and B will reject all the strings of length more than 2. Okay, so let us check if I am having a string AB A. Okay, so for that string is not the part of this DFA. Let us check that the DFA is accept this string or not. So A, by taking small a, will go to B, and B by taking A will move to C, and C, this one letter we have left is A, so C by taking A will go to D. So this one is initial and this one is final, and string is fully traversed and reached at point at a state D, and D is not final, so string is not accepted in this DFA, and string is not the part of this language. Okay, so let us check one more string. Let us check a string A and B. Let's check this string. The string is accepted or not. So this string is accepted. How? Let us see that A and B by taking B will move to C, and this one is initial and this one is final, and string is fully traversed and we reach at the final state and the string is accepted. Okay, so DFA, the Tron DFA will accept all the strings that are in language and reject all the strings that are not the part of this language. Okay, so next, thank you.